Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture covers 20 essential general knowledge MCQs for CSS and MPT 2026. Each question tests your understanding of geography, history, science, current affairs and culture. So explanation in detail will help you retain facts and apply knowledge effectively in exams. So हम अपना लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ कनाडा। तो कनाडा का कैपिटल सिटी क्या है? कनाडा का कैपिटल सिटी ओटावा है। ठीक है, ओटावा इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ कनाडा एंड इज़ लोकेटेड इन द प्रोविंस ऑफ ओंटारियो। इट इज़ द सेंट्रल हब ऑफ द कैनेडियन गवर्नमेंट and housing the parliament, prime minister office and key government departments. Toronto and Vancouver are major commercial and urban centers but are not the capital. Next question, who invented the telephone? Telephone किसने इजाद किया? तो right answer है A, Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876, which enabled direct communication between people over long distances. So this invention revolutionized social connections and played a significant role in commercial and military communications. Next question, which element has the chemical symbol O? So right answer is oxygen. O is the chemical symbol for oxygen. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere and is essential for humans, animals and plants. So life cannot exist without oxygen. Next question, in which year did Pakistan become an independent nation? So right answer is B, 1947. Pakistan became independent from Britain on August 14, 1947, and this day was the result of the efforts of the Muslim League and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So Pakistan's independence provided Muslims in the subcontinent with a sovereign homeland. Next question, who was the first president of the United States? Right answer is George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States from the 1789 to 1797. He strengthened the constitutional and administrative systems and laid the foundation of American democracy. So he is also called the father of the nation. Next question, what is the largest planet in our solar system? So right answer is B, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its mass is 318 times that of Earth and it is composed mostly of gases. And Jupiter's large presence influences the motion of other planets around the Sun. Next question, which country is known as the land of the rising sun? So right answer is Japan. Japan is called the land of the rising sun because it is located in the easternmost part of the world where the sun rises first. So its geographical position and cultural identity contribute to this title. Next question, what is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese sushi? So right answer is rice. The main component of sushi is rice prepared with a special vinga and seasoning. So fish, vegetables or seaweed are placed on top. So rice is central to sushi structure and taste. Next question, who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? So Romeo and Juliet जो है ये प्ले किसने लिखा? तो राइट आंसर है विलियम शेक्सपियर. William Shakespeare wrote this play, which is one of the most famous literary works in the world. The story explores love, fate, and social obstacles. So Shakespeare's work has had a profound impact on global literature. Next question, which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere for photosynthesis? So right answer is carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen. This process is essential for life on Earth and maintains ecological balance. Next question, what is the longest river in the world is? So river Nile is the longest river in the world. The Nile river is located in Africa and is about 6,650 kilometers long, and it provides water for agriculture and drinking in African countries. Other long rivers like the Amazon are significant, but the Nile is the longest. Next question, which country is the largest producer of coffee? So right answer is Brazil. Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer. It holds a key position in the global coffee market and coffee production plays an important role in its economy. Next question, what is the currency of Japan? जापान की करेंसी है येन. ठीक है. Answer A. Option A. Japan official currency is the yen. It is one of the strong currencies in the world and is widely used in international trade. Next question. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci painted. So answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa, one of the most famous paintings in the world. Its unique smile and artistic technique give it global recognition. So next question is which planet is known as the red planet? So right answer is Mars. Mars is called a red planet because its surface contains iron oxide, which gives it a red color. Studying Mars structure and environment helps assess the possibility of future human settlement. Next question. Who discovered penicillin? So right answer is Alexander Fleming. C. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, which became the world's first antibiotic, and it revolutionized the prevention and treatment of infections. Next question. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? So right answer is B. Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, located within the Rome and serves as the center of the Catholic Church, and it covers only 0.44 square kilometers and manages global religious and administrative affairs. Next question. Which ocean is the largest? So right answer is Pacific Ocean. Option D. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It stretches between Asia and America and contains about half of the Earth's water, and it plays a major role in environmental balance and global trade. Next question. In which year did World War II end? Right answer is B. 1945. World War II ended in 1945. The war had profound effects on global political, economic, and social systems and led to the creation of the United Nations. Last question. Who is known as the father of the nation in Pakistan? So right answer is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. He led the efforts for a separate homeland for Muslims and established Pakistan on 14 August 1947. These 20 general knowledge questions cover essential facts and concepts that frequently appear in CSS and MPT exams. So by studying the detailed explanation in Urdu, you can better understand the context, retain information, and confidently answer related questions in your exams.